Hey guys, it's Stacy
And me.
and Natalie, and we have a special guest with us today, Bobby Joe,
also known as Pregnant Lady.
Why? Lift it.
See the baby.
In the making of this video, no babies or no people were harmed. This is the easy way to dance and be pregnant and have fun with it.
The pregnant baby wobble. Thought of by her.
We're gonna move this back so you can see us all three do it.
Yes.
Jesus, there we go.
See, no, you just
No, I didn't.
there.
Okay.
Good. First part of it, you put your hands out front and wobble with it. And wobble with it. And wobble with it. Next, put your butt to the side and wiggle with it. And wiggle with it. And wiggle with it. Put your tummy up front and wobble with it. And wobble with it. And wobble with it. If you want to get funny with it, just put your butt to the side and wiggle with it. And wiggle with it. And no, pregnant ladies do not twerk, and they're not supposed to. That is bad parenting showing off on YouTube. So do this dance and you'll feel a lot better. Because you're not going to be
Your babies won't be
Twerking.
embarrassed either.
yeah, your babies will not be embarrassed.
That's a big thing.
Because they're not old enough to know what's going on yet. Because they have not been born. It's just a pregnancy dance.
So, you want to tell them, the people, what the baby's name is gonna be?
His name will be Elijah Mark, and he's due May 27th. He's coming up really soon, and I can't wait to see him.
He's gonna be my baby nephew. I'm really excited. Yeah.
Where'd my tea go?
Pregnant lady looking for the teeth. That's a punch in the face.
I don't think so.
Really now.
Flames of Fury.
You know what I think is funny? Pregnant lady looking for a teeth. Always funny, actually.
No, what was funny is when Mom looked at the plate of bacon and decided to blame me for it. I only ate 11 pieces. Mama ate the last piece.
Bye,
I'm the one that got in trouble
people. Wave to the people. Say goodbye. Bye. Get over here, Natalie. Put your
Jazz
face in here and
hands.
say goodbye.
Jazz
Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe, like, comment.
Bye.
Nice things only. The pregnant lady will
Oh,
cut
by the
you.
way, if you know Eminem, such as the rapper, that's awesome. Keep watching his videos. He's an awesome rapper. Keep it up, dude.
He's not black, he's white, and if you want to shout out, message us. Bye.